Here's a concise summary of things you should not do in court. 1. Disrespect the judge. Avoid interrupting or using inappropriate language. 2. Dress inappropriately. Wear formal attire. Casual or revealing clothing is not acceptable. 3. Be disruptive. Refrain from loud talking, using your phone, or making noise. 4. Fail to follow court protocol. Know the rules about addressing the court and presenting evidence. 5. Lie or mislead. Always be truthful. Perjury is a serious offense. 6. Talk over others. Wait for your turn to speak. Do not interrupt lawyers or witnesses. 7. Show emotion unnecessarily. Maintain composure. Excessive emotional displays can be frowned upon. 8. Argue with the judge. Disagree respectfully, if at all. Don't raise your voice or challenge authority. Following these guidelines helps maintain decorum and respect within the courtroom.